It's special to me that we're holding these festivities here in Vancouver, my hometown. I do love this place. I left it a long time ago, but it never left me.
Thank you to everyone from the Vancouver squad for making us feel so welcome. And thank you to my New York squad for always pulling up.
You remember what happened on that day when Harpal was born in a small little town, Aberfield, Saskatchewan, and you were the only doctor in the town?
I don't know where to start and where to end. I think it'll be a very long video if I keep talking about Jasmine.
Since the day Jasmine was born, she's been very lucky for us, and she's been a perfect baby, and she's a very, very loving sister to her brother Jay, a very loving and responsible daughter to us, and we just absolutely adore her.
It was fate, since I was the only doctor there, to have a son and to deliver my own son.
I've been walking in the same way as I did, and missing out the cracks in the pavement, and tutting my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No, and thank you, please, madame. I ain't lost, just wondering.
I feel so lucky that we are surrounded by people who show us what it's like to love and be loved every single day. And you know, the reason why we have been able to find this beautiful partnership is because we have people who love us so deeply and show us that we should never settle for anything less.
On this special day of her wedding, I wish her and Harpal all the luck in the world.
We love you both, Jasmine and Harpal.
We are very, very happy for you, so congratulations on this day.
Jasmine Sandhu.
Jasmine
We're about proud to welcome for the first time the newlyweds, Jasmine and Harpal.
It's been consulted by the finest legal minds, Mel and Candace. This is Jasmine's Dolly contract.
Oh, really?
Very
Okay.
official. You must agree to all the terms and conditions in order to take Jasmine.
Well, but Jasmine's also my legal counsel.